on the journey of self-discovery. Today is a day of guided missiles in the hand of misguided men, fast food but difficult to digest, broad roads, narrow hearts, smiling faces, crying hearts, right? There is love at first sight and there is divorce at first fight, right? So with this introduction, let us go into some depths of heart transformation through association. Heart transformation through association. How does it happen, right? So of course the introduction has been covered. These are some of the photographs of pre-corona. I say that there was BC and AD, before Christ and after death, but now it's BC and AC. It's before corona and after corona. This was before corona, BC, where I was giving a class in BIT, Birla Institute of Technology, for 5,000 students in the auditorium, and this is in the Medical College, Rajendra Institute of Medical Sciences, for PGs, undergraduates and postgraduates, right? So how many of you are interested in heart transformation? Please type BIO in the chat box. So, dosto, you are sitting in a room and you are attending a Zoom meeting, right? Look around in the room very carefully. There is not even a single thing in the room which is not having a purpose. Whether it's a bulb, whether it's a laptop, whether it's a computer, or it's a fan or an AC or whatever. So similarly, everything in life has a purpose. What is the purpose of eating? The purpose of eating is multifarious, but finally it is satisfaction, right? It is satisfaction, right? What is the purpose of sleeping, right? The purpose of sleeping is rejuvenation, right? Similarly, what is the purpose of bathing? The purpose of bathing is cleanliness. And coming to the important part, what is the purpose of knowledge? Before that, whenever I give a session, I ask the people, why are you attending this session, right? So thing is, whatever we do, if you take a number and keep putting a square root and a square root and a square root, do you know which number we will finally come to? Can you please type in the chat box? You are intelligent engineers from COEP College. If you keep square rooting a number, finally you come to which number? Please type in the chat box. What is the number if you keep square rooting? So finally the number is 1. I hope you are not square rooting right now. Okay. So thank you, Shrikant. Maybe 1. Yes, Abhishek, you're right. Your maybe is right. Okay. So anything has a purpose, and if you go to whatever you're doing, the final goal of whatever we are doing, like I'm a doctor, you are an engineer, we want to be successful, we want to be good human beings, earn some nice money, have a nice bungalow, car, whatever, is to become happy, right? So if the goal of life is to become happy, that is what we are doing for. Now there is a lot of knowledge in this world, but let us see some amazing things about this knowledge, right? What is the difference between material knowledge and spiritual knowledge? It is very important for us to know this. I have been a science student and I came in touch with such information around 22 years back when I was doing my first year MBBS, right? Please tell me, what is the difference between science and spirituality? In one line, I can say that science in this world answers the how of things and spirituality in this world answers the why of things, right? So how does a person die? That answer is given by science. He had a stroke, he had a blood pressure, he had a corona crisis, or a paralysis or a myocardial infarction. So science in this world answers the how of things and spirituality answers the why of things. How does a person die? Medical science can give 1001 reasons, but why does a person die? That is answered in the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran, the Bible, right? How does it rain? Evaporation, condensation, and rain, right? That is answered by science. But why does it rain? That is answered in the Bhagavad Gita. So with this basis, how and why, thank you Abhishek Kandekar for putting that in the chat box. Material versus spiritual life. In material knowledge, you lead a lifestyle. In spiritual knowledge, you lead a meaningful life. In material knowledge, there is more important to quantity. Baap bada na bhaiya, sabse bada rupaiya, right? But in spiritual life, there is quality, right? In material knowledge, we just prove and prove and prove. right? In spiritual knowledge, we improve the quality of life. In material knowledge, चलती का नाम गाड़ी, जीना यहाँ, मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ, right? But in spiritual knowledge, there is constant growth at the level of the body, mind, and the spirit soul. Material knowledge is an information download system to the brain. दोस्तों, मेरा point mark कीजिएगा. Material knowledge is the information download system to the brain, and spiritual knowledge is the process of heart transformation through accessing mercy. Now I see 23 participants here, and I am going to give a gift to all of you, for all participants who are sticking on till the end. So how many of you want a gift from me? Please type G in the chat box, and I'm going to give you verbal gifts which is going to change your life. Please type G in the chat box if you would love to have some gifts. Thank you, Vedant, Shrikant, Ritesh, Varun, Vedant, Parth. Amazing. I love the energy in the room. Sahil, the more the participation, more the learning. Thank you, Samadhan. Nice name, right? So is modern education leading to a transformation? That is the question. And I want to start with the gift right now. The way you do anything is the way you do everything. आपके लाइफ में जो एटीट्यूड होता है, वैसे ही एटीट्यूड से आप सब कुछ करते हैं. कबीर का दोहा था, काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, पल में परलय होंगे, फेर करेगा कब. But today's modern man has changed it. आज करे सो कल कर, कल करे सो कब, जो हो रहा है होने दे, देखा जाएगा जब होगा तब. Right? So we have to understand some important facets of life, right? Is the modern education leading to transformation? Well, the greed is increasing. Anger is increasing. Anger is one letter short of the word danger, right? And there is a lot of disrespect. There is a lot of backbiting, right? We see a beautiful joke over here. I've been working with this company for 20 years and I work for 14 hours a day. However, he's got the promotion because he gives a box of cigars to the boss. Man is a strange animal. Give him hot, he wants it cold. Give him cold, he wants it hot. Always wanting what is not, right? So our nature has become such that हम सोचते कुछ और हैं, हम बोलते कुछ और हैं, हम दिखाते कुछ और हैं, हम करते कुछ और हैं, और इसीलिए हमारे साथ होता कुछ और है. How many of you agree with me? Please type A in the chat box. A for agree. A for agree. A for agree. Thank you, Ritesh, Abhishek, Varun. Amazing participation. Vedant, Sagar, Jadhav. Wonderful. Let's go ahead. Johnny, Johnny. Yes, Papa. Eating sugar. No, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha ha ha. जो भी knowledge हम gain करते हैं आज के डेट में, it comes from WhatsApp, it comes from Facebook, it comes from the newspapers and so on and so forth, right? We see that today a person has lost the feelings and emotions and he's just become like a hardware. एक छोटे बच्चे को भी कोई चॉकलेट देता है तो मम्मी को बोलना पड़ता है, अरे आंटी को थैंक यू बोलो. क्यों बोलो? क्यों बोलो? Because there is no feelings. The hearts have become hard and the emotions have dried up because we say good morning to our laptops and we say good morning to our mobiles. Even after so much of material education, this is our halat. This person is smoking a cigarette. With a cigarette in my hand, I feel like a man. He's having a Coke bottle, some beer bottles, half in the swimming bathtub. And is he excited or frustrated? If he looks extremely frustrated, please type a F in the chat box. If he's looking frustrated, in spite of all the facilities, wow, you all are like face readers, huh? Immediately you can say that he's feeling very frustrated. सब कुछ है but जोश नहीं है क्योंकि होश खो चुका है. जोश है लेकिन होश खो चुका है. Okay, right? So that is interesting. That sometimes हमारा भी हालत कुछ ऐसे. I can tell you frankly, in the medical colleges, just now I was giving a class for BJ Medical College, BJMC, and वहाँ पे एक मंत्र चलता है सब. बोर हो रहे सर, बोर 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 बोर. आखिर बोर क्यों हो रहे हैं? क्योंकि we don't know what is to be done and what is not to be done. Did you ever get a news in the newspaper that आज एक बंदर ने suicide कर लिया? He had a fight with the bandaria and he hanged himself upside down in the tail and he said, वाह मैं मरना चाहता हूँ. Or a dog had a fight with the bitch and the bitch came in front of a railway track. मैं मरना चाहती हूँ, भाव 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 भाव. Who is the most intelligent species? Who has got the maximum education? then what is the reason? Thank you, Sagar, for those 4 smileys. Humans, huh? ये सोचने की बात है कि 84 लाख योनि में only the humans are committing suicide. After so much of education, now what's wrong? What's wrong? That is the question we want to see today. Oh, what is this? Chunnu munnu di papya di gaddi. Hum do, hamare do. This is a orangutan and this is one more orangutan, right? Although इसको ह्यूमन फॉर्म मिला है, लेकिन इसकी चेतना ऑलमोस्ट एक ब्लैक ओरंगुटैन की तरह ही है, बिकॉज ही इज अ पिग्मी फ्रॉम द कॉन्गो जंगल्स. दोस्तों, द नेक्स्ट गिफ्ट विच आई वांट टू गिव यू इज दिस गोल्डन लाइन: wherever your attention goes, energy flows. Wherever your attention goes, energy flows, right? So please remember this important thing. Excuse me, I'll request a little bit of silence. Yeah, thank you. So, wherever your attention goes, energy flows. अगर आप खाना बनाने में ध्यान दे रहे हैं तो खाना अच्छा बनेगा, नहीं तो नमक ज्यादा पड़ जाएगा. अगर आप पढ़ाई में ध्यान नहीं दे रहे तो you won't be able to become a topper. अगर आप अपने relationships को ध्यान नहीं दे पा रहे, there will be love at first sight and there will be divorce at first fight, right? After marriage, sometime there will be the Chandramukhi face. This is both true for husband and wife. Don't just think I'm biased towards one side. And then it could be, Suryamukhi. And after a few years, after the child is born, the kid is born, it could end up in a Jwalamukhi face, right? Wherever your attention goes, energy flows. अगर पढ़ाई में ध्यान देंगे, पढ़ाई आगे बढ़ेगा. अगर अपने हॉबीज में ध्यान देंगे, उसको आगे बढ़ाएंगे. और अगर आप अपने लाइफ को ध्यान नहीं देंगे तो लाइफ भी मुरझा जाएगा. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू अग्री विथ मी? प्लीज टाइप ए इन द चैट बॉक्स. वेरेवर योर अटेंशन गोज, एनर्जी फ्लोज. अरे गलती तो आदमी चांद में भी निकाल लेता है. इफ ही फोकसेस ऑन द ब्यूटिफुल पूर्णिमा नाइट एंड सेज इट्स सो सूदिंग, इट्स सो नाइस, देन ही कैन एक्सपीरियंस द कूलनेस ऑफ द मून. बट कुछ लोग तो चांद में भी धब्बों को निकालते, बोलते हैं इसमें धब्बे क्यों हैं? So everything depends. Wherever your attention goes, energy flows. Whatever you appreciates in your life. Whatever you appreciate, that quality you will get within your heart, because today is a very important topic on heart transformation. So I said a very important point, right? That today is an information download system to the brain, but there is no heart transformation. And today we'll be seeing a very important secret. साधु संग सर्व शास्त्र कहे, लाभ मात्र साधु संग सर्व सिद्धि होए. Now today this word is very much misunderstood, because we are seeing so many spiritual leaders going to the jails and all this. जैसा गुरु वैसा चेला हो नरक में ठेलम ठेला, right? ऐसे गुरु घंटा लोग बहुत भरे हुए हैं कलयुग में, right? But that doesn't mean that real spiritual teachers are lost in today's age. Our idea of sadhu means that he has to wear a big jata, he has to wear a bhagwa dress, and he has to carry a kamandalu with water. No. The qualities make a person into a saint, right? So sadhu sangha, a real spiritualist association is very valuable. This is told by all the scriptures, because a little association with a spiritualist can change your life for whole. How can knowledge lead to transformation? Let us see that. Most important thing, my dear friends, is right knowledge, right? If you go to the petrol, would you like pure petrol or impure petrol? Please type P if you would love pure petrol and I for impure petrol. Would you love pure ghee or impure ghee? Would you love pure honey or halka sa impure honey, right? When we want everything in our life pure, then why don't we look out for pure knowledge? दोस्तों, मैं next gift आप लोग को दे रहा हूं. The food for the body is bhojan. The food for the mind is good thoughts. And the food for the spirit soul is spirituality and mantras, right? खाने के मामले में हम लोग कितना careful हैं, especially during Corona times, right? Sir, I only take a vegan diet. Sir, I only take a very healthy fruit-based diet. Sir, I take a ketogenic diet. Sir, I take a absolutely vegetarian diet. That's wonderful. But what to speak of your mind? What is the diet for your mind, right? And mind is so important. Mind can go into a stage where it can tell you and convince you to commit a suicide. So where do we feed our minds from? Are we feeding it with the right knowledge or the wrong knowledge? Are we feeding it early in the morning with negative inputs from the newspaper, WhatsApp messages? दोस्तों, एक आधार कार्ड के फोटो में और फेसबुक के फोटो में तो अंतर होता ही है। हमारे फेसबुक के प्रोफाइल फोटो और आधार कार्ड के फोटो में अंतर क्यों होता है? क्योंकि एक फोटो होता है असली वाला फोटो और दूसरा होता है दुनिया को दिखाने वाला फोटो, राइट? सो द राइट नॉलेज इज वेरी वेरी रेयर इन दिस वर्ल्ड. By googling around, you can only get information. But by the process which I am going to teach today, you will get experiential learning, right? All of you have understood the basics of spirituality. आत्मा को, next gift, आत्मा को मानने में, आत्मा को जानने में, आत्मा को समझने में और आत्मा को महसूस करने में बहुत अंतर है. And that's why I'm loving the comment from Abhishek, experience, right? Because we are born in India, we have some belief system because of which we may believe in God. But do we know about God? Have we the detailed knowledge about God? And have we the experience? See, we are in the medical college, you are in your engineering colleges, and generally there are so many love stories, which I'm putting in inverted commas, which happen, right? And the theory is quite different from the practical in life, right? So all of you are engineers, and I would love to share an equation with you. LE, life equation. How many of you want to know the equation of life? Please type LE in the chat box, life equation. LE in the chat box. Thank you, Samarth, Varun. I am liking the amazing participation of the audience. So the equation of life is expectation minus reality is equal to frustration. Expectation minus reality is equal to frustration. Please remember this thing in your life. So very important for us is pure knowledge. और Google में pure knowledge नहीं मिल सकता, because pure knowledge has to be told from a purified system which is connected to a pure system and which you hear very attentively. You hear, you reflect, you experience, you learn, and then you teach. So first thing is the right knowledge. What is the right knowledge? दोस्तों, एक मोबाइल खरीदते हैं तो उसके बारे में पढ़ना पड़ता है. एक सुपर कंप्यूटर खरीदते हैं तो उसके लिए मैनुअल इज रिक्वायर्ड. If we buy a complicated machine, a manual is required. What is the most important thing? The life. Where is the manual of life? Do we get the Brahma Jigyasa? Who am I? Who is God? What is my relationship with God? ये क्या है? Yaksha asked the most interesting question to Yudhishthir Dharmaraj, that what is the most amazing thing in this world? And he said, ahani ahani bhutani gacchanti yamalayam. Right? Ahani ahani bhutani, every day we are seeing, especially in Corona, ye mara, wo mara, wo mara, ye gaya, wo gaya, ye gaya. लेकिन अपने को नहीं लगता है कि अपना नंबर कभी भी आ सकता है. And that is the most आश्चर्यजनक चीज in this world. How many of you agree with me? Please type A in the chat box, right? That this is very amazing, that we really don't believe that one day we will die. And that's a point to be pondered, and this is the Brahma Jigyasa. So Bhagavad Gita chapter 5 and 18 shloka. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavihastini Suni Cheva Swapake Cha Pandita Samadarshina. There is a lot of difference between a realized soul and an unrealized soul. A humble sage, by virtue of true knowledge, with equal vision, can see a gentle person, a cow, an elephant, a dog, and a dog eater. So most important thing is the right knowledge for heart transpiration, and second thing is the right association. दोस्तों, मैं नेक्स्ट गिफ्ट आप लोग को देना चाह रहा हूं. प्लीज टाइप G3 in the chat box for the third gift which I'm going to give you, and this is going to change your life. G3 in the chat box for the third gift. Thank you, amazing speed. So दोस्तों, आपकी जिंदगी, your life is the average of the 5 top people with whom you associate. ध्यान से समझिएगा, आपका जिंदगी is exactly the एडिशन ऑफ A प्लस B प्लस C प्लस D प्लस E डिवाइडेड बाई 5, वो 5 लोग जिसकी चेतना में आप रहते हैं, जिसके साथ नहीं, साथ और चेतना अलग है, शायद वो मेरे बगल में है लेकिन मैं उससे बहुत दूर हूं. Our bodies may be close, but the hearts may be far apart. But जिसकी चेतना में आप रहते हैं, वो 5 लोगों का एवरेज ही आपकी जिंदगी होगी. So association is very important. साधु संग सर्वशास्त्र कहे, लभ मात्र साधु संगे सर्व सिद्धि होए. A right and a pure person, a moment's association with him can change your life completely. So Johann Wolfgang von Goethe said, "Tell me with whom you associate and I will tell you who you are." The easiest way to become a drunkard is to stay in the association of drunkards. The easiest way to become a smoker is to stay in the association of smokers. And easiest way to become a meditator is to be in the association of deep meditators, deep spiritualists, deep transcendentalists, and your life will automatically change. If you have the energy to stay with the toppers and interact with them, automatically you will become a topper. And my G4, please type G4 in the chat box for the 4th amazing gift which I'm going to give you, and that is your vibe attracts your tribe. Your vibe attracts your tribe. The energy frequency in which you are resonating will attract the kind of people whom you are looking for. एक मधुमक्खी घूम घूम के कचड़े में भी फूल पे बैठती है और एक मक्खी घूम घूम के फूलों में भी कचड़े पे बैठती है. Do you agree with me? If you agree, please type A in the chat box that एक मक्खी फूल में भी कचड़े ढूंढ के बैठती है और एक मधुमक्खी कचड़े में भी फूल ढूंढ के बैठती है. आप मधुमक्खी हैं कि मक्खी, ये आपको सोचना है और डिसाइड करना है. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं सर मेरे जिंदगी में कचरा ही कचरा भरा हुआ है. मैं बोलता हूं राजू क्यों ना हो मास्टर जी, आपके दांत तो मेरे से भी ज्यादा चमक रहे हैं. क्यों ना हो राजू, डाबर लाल दंत मंजन जो लगाते हो, राइट? सो मधुमक्खी, हाँ, अभिषेक has written a big मधुमक्खी, amazing, right? So please try to be madhumakkis or honeybees, and then you will get flowers everywhere. How many of you know about the law of attraction by Rhonda Byrne? LA, law of attraction by Rhonda Byrne. Please type M in the chat box if you have heard about the law of attraction. So your vibe attracts your tribe. कैसे टाइप के लोग आपकी जिंदगी में आएंगे? लोग कंप्लेन करते हैं सर सब फालतू लोग आते हैं, सर सब यूजलेस दोस्त आते हैं, सर सब लोग आके मुझे धोखा देके जाते हैं, सर जिंदगी में आते हैं और चले जाते हैं और मुझे फ्रस्ट्रेट करके जाते हैं. थैंक यू रितेश. सीक्रेट. सो द सीक्रेट इज, दूसरों को कंप्लेन मत कीजिए कि आपकी जिंदगी ऐसी है. आप खुद कैसे हैं वैसे ही आपकी जिंदगी है. सब लोग रुके हुए हैं कि अच्छे दिन कब आएंगे. नेक्स्ट गिफ्ट G4 or G5, I don't know. I think it is G5. Next gift. Don't wait for the right day to come that you will do the right thing. Don't wait for the right day to come that you will do the right thing. Do the right thing right now and the right day will come. अच्छे दिन के लिए रुकिए मत कि मैं अच्छे कर्म करूंगा. आज अच्छे कर्म कीजिए, अच्छे दिन खुद आ जाएंगे. Right? Now, we can experience that even a young boy in Krishna consciousness gives up bad habits and he can give up all the habits which are negative. Habit is such a thing. Remove H, a bit remains. Remove HA, bit remains. Remove HAB, it remains. But even an initial practicer of spirituality, like I am a Bengali, right? This is of course a bodily designation. And I was a huge fan of non-vegetarian food. हाँ, you know, Bengalis माछेर झोल भात के बिना उनका खाना नहीं होता है. I would have fish in the morning, mutton in the afternoon, an egg in the evening, and some special starters in the night. But when I started practicing spirituality, automatically the negative instincts went away. It was not that I had to force myself. Srimad Bhagavatam, 11th canto, 2nd chapter, 29th shloka. दुर्लभो मानुषो देहो देहिनम शन भंगुर तत्रापि दुर्लभम मन्ये वैकुंठ प्रिय दर्शनम. दोस्तों ध्यान से सुनिएगा इस बात को. वेरी वेरी डीप थिंग, राइट? फॉर द कंडीशन सोल्स, द ह्यूमन बॉडी इज मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट टू अचीव. and it can be lost at any moment. But I think that even those who have achieved the human life rarely gain the association of a pure devotee. Now, I would like to quote some shlokas from Bhagavad Gita. Bahunam janmanamante jnanavan mam prapadyate vasudeva sarvamiti sa mahatma sudurlabha. Bahunam janmanam ante, बहुत बहुत जन्मों के अंत में ज्ञानवान माम प्रपद्यते, a ज्ञानी gets some interest in me. Vasudeva sarvamiti sa mahatma sudurlabha. Durlabh means rare and sudurlabh means very rare. And to get the association of a pure devotee is super rare because among the 4 yugas, this is Kali Yuga and this is a rare thing. Now, I want to share with a story. I want to share an amazing story with you. So please type ST in the chat box because now it's story time, ST. I need STs. Thank you, story time. And दोस्तों, सबसे पहले तो मैं आप लोग को ये बता दूं. This Englishman, he gave the name of mythology to Ramayana and Mahabharata and all these things. I say that Harry Potter is mythology because that is not real. It is a myth. But Ramayana and Mahabharata can never be mythology because Kurukshetra is there, Sri Lanka is there, Rameshwaram is there, Nasik is there, Dwarkapuri is there, Ayodhya is there, Hastinapur is there, Kandahar is there. And I have gone and visited these places. It takes one to see one. Wherever your attention goes, we even have scriptures. Yes, right? So a story of heart transformation through association, and I'm going to tell you the real story. There was a hunter whose name was Mrigari, right? And we have stone sculptures also, right? Yeah. We have so many proofs. Mrigari was a hunter who was in the forest, and one day Narad Muni was traveling in that forest after a bathing in Prayag. And there he saw an amazing sight that half-dead birds and animals are literally crying in pain. And he was very upset to see this and thought, who is doing this? Then he met a hunter whose name was Mrigari, and he was enjoying killing these animals half. So Narad said, what is making you kill these animals half? He said, well, this is taught by my father and I really enjoy seeing them mourning in pain. उनको तड़पता देख के मुझे बहुत खुशी मिलती है. So Narad is an amazing person because he's a pure devotee. So he said an amazing instruction to Mrigari. He said, Mrigari, can I request you something? Mrigari said, I am not going to give you the deer skins which I have. Narad laughed and said, don't worry, I'm not asking for that because I don't need it. But I'm requesting you that can you kill the animals full rather than just killing them half? And Mrigari was very surprised. Ye kya cheez hai bhai? Half ya full, how does it matter? And when he asked this question to Narad Muni, Narad said, when you kill the animal half, it is suffering more in pain and you are inculcating tremendous negative karmas, and in the future births you have to suffer. Anyway, by killing you will suffer, but you will suffer much more, so at least don't make them suffer more, kill them full. When Mrigari heard these instructions from the mouth of a pure devotee, it really touched his heart. आप लोगों में से कितना बार आपको एक्सपीरियंस है कि किसी का बात बिल्कुल दिल को छू जाता है, किसी का बात आपको बहुत स्ट्रांगली इफेक्ट करता है, लेकिन किसी का बात वो दिन भर बक 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 करता है, बट कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. प्लीज टाइप M in the chat box. I have Abhishek. Thank you Abhishek. Right? Yes, Yogesh, Ritesh, Varun, Sanket. So many experiences. Wow, that is amazing. So purity is the force. We want pure ghee, we want pure petrol, we need pure people around us. We need pure saints, we need pure gurus, we need pure mentors, we need pure teachers. And that's why Narad Muni, a pure devotee of the Lord, totally changed the life of Mrigari. And Narad gave him the instructions. Some of the beautiful verses from Srimad Bhagavatam is Shinvatam Swakatah Krishna Punya Shravanam Kirtana Hridayantasto hi Bhadrani Vidonoti Suhrit Satam. Shri Krishna, the personality of Godhead, who is Paramatma or super soul in everyone's heart and a benefactor of the truthful devotee, Hridayantosti abhadrani. He cleanses the desire for material knowledge, for material enjoyment from the heart of a devotee who has developed the urge to hear his message, which are in themselves virtuous when properly heard and chanted. See, my dear friends, the material knowledge or spiritual knowledge में एक अंतर है. In the 10th chapter, 10th shloka of Bhagavad Gita, Tesham satatayuktanam bhajatam pritipurvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam yena mam upayanti te. Tesham satatayuktanam bhajatam pritipurvakam. One who worships me with love, pritipurvak, dadami buddhi yogam tam, I give him the intelligence from within by which he comes from me. So material knowledge comes from outside in. जर्नल करना पड़ता है, पढ़ना पड़ता है, रटना पड़ता है, एग्जाम देना पड़ता है, वाइवा वोसी देना पड़ता है. Of course, in spiritual life also that learning is required. But the realization comes from within. आत्मा को जानने में, आत्मा को मानने में, आत्मा को समझने में और महसूस करने में बहुत अंतर है. And that is possible when we get the mercy of the Lord. So the life's lessons which Mrigari learned from Narad Muni, he shifted from arrogance to humility. Previously, Mrigari would not listen to anyone. He became humble and listened to the advice of Narada through his association. And this was the amazing transformation from a hunter to a devotee, from cruelty to kindness. Just by the power of association of a pure devotee, Mrigari transformed from being a cruel hunter to a compassionate lover of humans, of living beings. You are seeing here in this slide that some ants were there on the road in which he was crossing, and with his upper cloth he was removing the ants. Such a cruel person who was killing the animals half was now removing the ants over the insects over the road. Such a process of heart transformation. And from greed to love. Previously, Mrigari only had greed in his heart, but that transformed into love of God. Mukam karoti vachalam pangum langhayate girim yad kripatamaham vande Shri Guru Dinatarinam. I wanted to share my personal story. I still remember August 1998. When I came from a small town in the medical college and people were there from Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore and big cities. तो पहला दिन मैं ऑरेंज कलर का शर्ट और ब्राउन पैंट पहन के निकला तो सबने बोला देख 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 भाई देख कौन आ गया है पागल. And I felt so embarrassed because my English was not strong and I was feeling very inferiority complex. But after that I grounded myself, got the spiritual knowledge, got the association of true guides and gurus. द्रोण शिष्य अर्जुन, अर्जुन गुरु द्रोण नहीं बोला जाता है, द्रोण शिष्य अर्जुन, परशुराम शिष्य भीष्म. So the real gurus are very important in your life, the real mentors, the real teachers, and if you got one, you are a special one, right? So how does association and how does right knowledge bring about a change in your life? If you're interested to know, please type BIO in the chat box. Bring it on, bring it on, bring it on, bring it on. BIO, BIO in the chat box. Okay, BIO, so many BIOs coming in. So दो चीज का ध्यान हमेशा लाइफ में दीजिए. प्योर चीजें, खाना प्योर खाते तो मन के विचार प्योर क्यों नहीं है? हमारे दोस्त प्योर क्यों नहीं है? जिन लोगों के साथ हम संग कर रहे हैं वो प्योर क्यों नहीं है? So thoughts are very important. From your thoughts come your chetana. From your chetana comes your attitude. From your attitude you see the world. लाल चश्मा पहना हुआ आदमी दुनिया को लाल देखता है और हरा चश्मा पहना हुआ आदमी हरा दिखता है. लेकिन जिसने इस परसेप्शन के कंडीशनिंग को हटा दिया है उसको दुनिया एज इट इज दिखती है. एंड दैट चेंजेस योर बिहेवियर एंड दैट योर मेमोरी एंड योर परसेप्शन. एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, द होल चैलेंज इज टू चेंज योर थॉट्स, बिकॉज जैसा थॉट्स होगा वैसे ही आपकी जिंदगी होगी. जैसे आपके 5 टॉप लोग हैं जिसकी चेतना में आप रहते हैं वैसे ही आपकी जिंदगी होगी. सो चेंज योर थॉट्स. एंड हाउ to change your thoughts? Again, by the two things, perfect knowledge and perfect association, which is very, very important, by which you can do that. One more shloka from Bhagavatam. Tulyama lavanapi na swargam na punarbhavam bhagavata sangi sangasya martyanam kim utasya sha. The value of a moment's association with a devotee of the Lord cannot be compared even with the value of attaining heavenly planets or liberation from matter. And what to speak of worldly benedictions in the form of material prosperity, which are also available to those who die. So, dosto, who is the most fortunate person in this world? The most fortunate person is not the person who has the maximum wealth, because maybe he's also not totally happy. The most fortunate person is not who is the most powerful person like Joe Biden, maybe because internally in his life he may have a lot of problems. The most fortunate person is this world, is one who has the association of a real spiritual minded, spiritual enthusiast with whom he can spend time. Dadati pratigranati guhyam akhyati precchati bhungte bhojate cheva shatvidhi priti lakshanam. दोस्तों, आज हम लोग कैसी जिंदगी में जी रहे हैं? We are just trying to impress others, but not inspire others. We just living a show of life. किसी से भी पूछे, how are you? Well, I'm cool, thank you, bye bye, so sweet, I love you. क्या वो अंदर से इसको फील कर रहा है? Never. लोग फेसबुक में एक दूसरे का पोस्ट देके जलते हैं, लेकिन बाहर से दिखाते कि I feel happy for you. कोई मर भी जाता है तो बस क्या लिखते हैं व्हाट्सएप में? रिप 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 रिप. That's it. End of story. किसको किसकी पड़ी हुई है. But if you are fortunate enough to get a devotee in your life with whom dadati pratigrinati and guhyam, you know, in United States the biggest therapy today, that कोई सुनने वाला नहीं है दुख दर्द को, बस फोन घुमाओ और वो चुपचाप आपको empathic listening देगा. If you say मेरी हालत खराब है, मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड मुझे छोड़ के चल गई है, मेरा डिवोर्स हो गया है, मेरे बच्चे छोड़ के चल गए हैं, मैं क्या करूं? And he will say, okay, I understand, I can appreciate this, I am with you, it's really sad. और ऐसे बोल बोल के दिल हल्का करने वाले लोगों को they are paid in dollars, right? And here we are getting the association of devotees who are spiritualists. We should take it with utmost seriousness. So coming to the last part of today's seminar, I told I'm going to give you a lot of gifts. So I'm going to define success for you, because after all, after passing out from COEP, you would like to be successful human beings. The definition of success according to international personalities are: success is to know how much to do, for whom to do, till when to do, why to do, and with what motive to do. What is the definition of success? Is to know किसके लिए मैं कर रहा हूं, क्यों कर रहा हूं, कैसे कर रहा हूं, कब तक कर रहा हूं और किस चेतना में कर रहा हूं दोस्तों. Right? What is more important? Abhi the cyclone is there in the western India, and suppose I'm taking the express highway from Pune to Mumbai, and a storm has come, and the boat from Thane to Mumbai has got rotated. Is speed more important or direction more important in life? S for speed and D for direction. Please type in the chat box. What is more important in life, speed or direction? Please type. Thank you. Thank you, Varun, Shrikant, Sagar, Vaibhav, Ritesh, Abhishek. I'm loving the energy in the room, because direction is the most. Bharat, Shubham. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. So दोस्तों, जिंदगी का पहला जरूरत होता है रोटी, कपड़ा, मकान. जब पेट भर जाता है तब इमोशंस और मीनिंग की जरूरत होती है लाइफ में. उसके बाद मैन इज अ सोशल एनिमल. हाँ, वी नीड टू बी टुगेदर एंड शेयर आवर फीलिंग्स. आज ऐसी हालत है कि अपना दिल का बात किसी को हम बोल नहीं सकते हैं, एंड हार्ट अटैक्स आर कमिंग बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. The blood profile is normal, everything is normal, because there is a constipation of feelings in the heart. There is no one to share, there is no one to care. People don't care what you know. People don't care what you know, they know what you care. At youth, a person uses his health for wealth. At old age, he uses for wealth for health. And at the time of death, he loses both. बचपन में समय होता है बट पैसा नहीं होता, और बुढ़ापे में समय नहीं होता और पैसा होता है, और मृत्यु के समय समय भी होता है, पैसा भी होता है, बट आप नहीं होते हैं. And once Mukesh Ambani was talking to Neeta Ambani, and they were sharing some things. They're the richest couple in India and staying in Antilla, and they have, a fleet of cars and, a personal private jets and, what all, and private helipads and everything. And she was telling the husband that something is missing in my life, hubby. So जब नीचे के सब जरूरत पूरे हो जाते हैं, then come the stage of contribution, जहां आपको जो मिला वो देने में खुशी होती है. Suppose you are in MACD joint and you are eating a MACD burger with your friend, and you eat your burger and he has eaten half his burger and he has gone to the washroom, and when he has gone to the washroom you eat his half burger just मस्ती के लिए, and he comes and says, दोस्त मेरा burger कहाँ गया? And you laugh and say, पेट में निकाल ले. This gives some sort of happiness, right? But when you go out of the MACD store, when both of them went, in the road they saw that an old lady is wearing a black goggles because she just came out of Sancheti hospital after an operation and she's not able to cross that road. And both of you help that lady cross the road. Now, there is H1 and H2. H1 is the happiness of the burger and H2 is the happiness of helping that old lady. Which gives more happiness? Please type in the chat box. H1 or H2? Please type. Thank you. So many H2s already coming. Wow. Right? Because why? दोस्तों इसको ध्यान से सुनिएगा. Why? Why is very important. Because there is happiness at the level of the body. There is happiness at the level of the mind. There is happiness at the level of intelligence. There is physical happiness. There is mental happiness. There is emotional happiness. There is intellectual happiness. But highest of the high is the spiritual happiness which you get when you practice G and C in your life. GC. G for growth and C for contribution. Please type GC in the chat box. G for growth and C for contribution. And that gives the maximum happiness. When you share what you have got, when you celebrate what you have got. Because finally, the life has to end. And this is the 4 stages of the human's life. It starts with a milk bottle when you are a small child. And then there is thumbs up, taste the thunder. And then when you are in 2nd year, 3rd year, kahin na kahin aadat to lag hi jata hai. With a bagpiper gold or royal stag or white horse or a black dog whiskey. But finally you end up in the intensive cardiac care unit. Maybe it could be corona. मैं बोलता हूँ corona में कुछ तो करो ना. Right? So there is a milk bottle, there is a Coke bottle, there is a whiskey bottle, but finally in the ICU, there is the saline or the glucose bottle. So या तो हमारी जिंदगी by understanding the real knowledge एक particular type की हो सकती है या तो ऐसी हालत हो सकती है. 2 people were running in the Qutub Minar. कौन पहले, तू पहले कि मैं भागू कि तू भागू कि कौन भागेगा? And both of them reached the terrace. फिर एक ने बोला, अरे बस चाबी कहां है? चाबी नीचे छूट गया. दोस्तों, ask the questions to yourself. At the time of death, what would you like to hear from the people around you who are taking your body? दुनिया का बोझ हल्का हो गया, अच्छा हो गया. Or you would like to leave a legacy behind, right? So it is very important to do meaningful things in life. कई बार हमारी जिंदगी में हम अर्जेंट चीज करते करते इंपॉर्टेंट चीजों को भूल जाते हैं, right? So it is very important to know the purpose of life, why I have come, and to gain the real knowledge. Because if you gain the unreal knowledge and if you don't get the association of devotees, your life will be like this. But if you understand what I taught, your life will be like this, right? So last but not the least, I have surprises for you at the end. ये तो बस झांकी है, अभी तो बहुत कुछ बाकी है. Because I have promised you a lot of gifts. Loving chains that tie each precious moment flitting by. If we don't use a vision of choice, we won't have one for us to voice. And time will destroy the glorious past. Just memories will remain, memories will last. So coming to the summary, और जाइएगा नहीं, अब summary के बाद असली चीज बताने वाले हैं, right? So today we discussed the purpose of life, life purpose, The purpose of eating is satisfaction, bathing is cleanliness. And what is the purpose of knowledge? The purpose of knowledge is not information. YouTube में कोई information की कमी नहीं है, लेकिन दोस्तों next gift, doing is knowing, knowing is not doing, doing is knowing. हाँ, सिर्फ आदमी को बोलना हाथ ऐसे करो, पैर ऊपर करो, मुंह नीचे करो और पानी में ऐसे ऐसे करो तो स्विमिंग नहीं सीख जाता आदमी. स्विमिंग सीखने के लिए पानी में उतरना पड़ता है, राइट? मैं अगर आपको बोलूं स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ ऐसा है, स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ वैसा है, एक गुलाब जामुन और रसगुल्ले का टेस्ट का अंतर दोस्तों लैंग्वेज में बोल के नहीं समझाया जा सकता. यू कैनॉट टेल इट बाय डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस लाइक बंगाली, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, मराठी, इंग्लिश, फ्रेंच, राइट? यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, दैट रसगुल्ला और गुलाब जामुन में टेस्ट का अंतर एक ही तरीका है. मेलोडी खाओ, खुद जान जाओ, खुद खाओ, समझ जाओ. So there is difference between material and spiritual knowledge. Is material knowledge leading to transformation of our life? Information तो बहुत है, लेकिन when you actually practice that process, you get the realization. Money should be charged for actual implementation and not for theoretical information download. So two things are most important in life: right knowledge and right association. I told you the story of Mrigari, and then we saw the lessons of Mrigari. He changed from an arrogant hunter to a humble person. He was so cruel that he was killing the animals half, and now he was not even being very conscious about the ants. And from greed to love. So that is the value of a moment's association. अब ज्ञान तो मैंने बहुत दिया, कुछ अपने बारे में बता दे. This is my real photo, my dear friends. Before I came to spiritual life, I was 140 kgs. मेरी जिंदगी की बैंड बजी हुई थी. This is a photo which I have taken from Koreanthan Clubs, Pune, where I am standing in the terrace, and this is in one of the seminars. 140 kgs, uncontrolled blood pressure, severe tensions in life. But I got the association of the right gurus, right guides, right mentors. I am showing you my library behind, which has 5,000 spiritual books. So I spent time with myself. लोगों के लिए कर कर के थक गया था. अब थोड़ा सा पहले मैं समझा, संभला, ग्राउंडिंग किया, मेरे लाइफ के डायरेक्शन को समझा कि क्या हो रहा है. And I totally transformed my life, whether it be health, whether it be wellness, whether it be spirituality. And now after transforming myself, I share this knowledge with others. So I request all of you to join my YouTube channel, where I have given all these classes, almost 40 videos in various medical and engineering colleges and corporate companies on very, very practical topics like the power of mantra, spirituality, getting up in the Brahma Muhurta, the mind power, concentration. I was giving a class in IIT Mumbai for BTechs, MTechs and PhDs. And the biggest question, can I request my digital team to put the link in the chat box so that people can just go and subscribe? If you hear these few lectures, you will see a tremendous transformation in your life. And very, very important, last but not the least, I would thank you for giving such valuable time of yours, for such patient hearing, for such amazing and wonderful participation.